More than 47 lakh senior citizens above 70 years have been enrolled under the Ayushman Bharat Health Insurance Scheme since the announcement last year. Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, or just Ayushman Bharat, this provides the free treatment benefits of up to rupees 5 lakh every year on a family basis to all senior citizens aged 70 years and above, irrespective of their socio-economic status, through Ayushman Vay Vandana card. The Union Cabinet in September extended to include individuals aged 70 and above, regardless of their income. Till now, maximum cards have been generated by the elderlies in Madhya Pradesh, which is more than 13 lakh, followed by 8 lakh cards in UP and almost 6 lakh cards in Kerala and over 2 lakh cards in Rajasthan, followed by other states. The move will significantly benefit elderly women, as government data shows that more than half of the individuals aged 70 and above are women, and 54% of these women are widows. In fact, the government decided to bring senior citizens in the ambit of the scheme because of the higher probability of these 70 plus age group people going to the hospital than the rest of the population. Taken into consideration was also the factor that people who fall in this age group cannot easily avail the benefits of private health insurance because it is not available. And in cases the insurance is available, the premiums are higher. Let's understand the insurance cover that is provided under Ayushman Bharat. The health insurance provides cover for secondary and tertiary care of hospitalization, which covers almost 2,000 treatment procedures across 27 specialties, including general surgery, orthopedics, cardiology, oncology, and others. It also covers high-end treatment procedures such as total hip replacement, total knee replacement, minimally invasive coronary angioplasty, permanent pacemaker implantation, and others. If you are also looking for enrollment, then Aadhaar-based eKYC is mandatory for enrollment and issuance of Vay Vandana cards. Beneficiaries with other central and state government health insurance schemes are given a one-time option to choose between their current scheme and Ayushman Bharat. Beneficiaries holding active private health insurance and employee state insurance scheme are also eligible to avail the benefits under this scheme. From running ads over traditional media platforms, including newspapers and community radios, to encouraging street plays, digital displays, radio campaigns, and telecasting beneficiary testimonials via Doordarshan, government is making efforts to create awareness and bring more people under the ambit of health insurance. In addition to this, state health agencies have also engaged a wide network of frontline workers, such as ASHA workers and village-level entrepreneurs, to create mass awareness at the grassroots level. Hospitals are the backbone of the scheme, and hence, to encourage the participation of public, private, and corporate healthcare providers, empaneled hospitals are additionally incentivized for NABH accreditation.